Good morning, everybody. Happy Sabbath and Saturday. I just have some turkey sausages here, or patties, and then I have 2 eggs with a mixture of cheese here. Got cheddar and I think it's provolone. I'm not sure, but anyways, and then I have some baby tomatoes. I made some homemade almond keto bread in the microwave. A 2-minute bread with some Kerrygold butter and a dollop of sour cream. And then I have here some keto coffee, just cream and the monk fruit sugar and some this coffee right here. I only use half a packet because I don't want to be too. Sometimes it makes my heart palpitate if I drink too much coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this right here. So good, it's kind of runny. That cheese pull. Very crispy. I put this in the air fryer, this on the stove, and then this in the microwave. I'm gonna try the bread. Kerrygold Irish butter. Look how moist that is. Just almond flour, a pinch of baking soda, and some olive oil, and an egg. I have another, I got 2 more pieces left for later. Enjoy. Bye, guys.